Your roof does more than help protect your home. It stands guard over the people and the moments that matter most, sheltering you from storms, heat, wind, and the elements. That's why homeowners turn to Owens Corning, the most trusted and recognized brand in roofing. Decades of industry-leading innovation, product development, and research has gone into every component of the Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System, designed to help your roof perform in 3 critical areas: seal, defend, and breathe. Duration Series shingles with SureNail Technology feature a wide, highly visible nailing zone that helps deliver outstanding wind resistance, precise installation, and triple layer protection. Performance is only part of the story. Your roof should look great while expressing your style. From bold, dramatic tones to timeless neutrals, Owens Corning is a leader in color and Women's Choice Award winner 9 years running. We want to help you find your perfect roof color that will cause the stop and stare envy of the neighborhood, known as roof gawking. One of the most critical decisions in the whole process is choosing the right contractor. Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractors are the top tier of our network. They meet rigorous requirements for customer service, carry proper licensing and liability insurance, and are screened annually for high-quality workmanship. As a result, they can offer our strongest protection, the Platinum Protection Limited Lifetime Warranty, because your home deserves nothing less than the best.
Hi, I'm Tara Colopy, owner of the Third Estimate Corporation. We've been serving homeowners for over 30 years, and we take pride in offering roofing, inspections, storm restoration, and insurance support. As an Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractor, we're part of an exclusive top-tier network recognized for workmanship, customer service, and reliability. That means when we install your roof, you're getting industry-leading materials and installation supported by a company you can trust. Choosing a new roof is a big decision, and we're here to make the process simple. Installing a roofing system that performs and helping you choose from Owens Corning's wide range of shingle colors, including this year's Shingle Color of the Year, Evergreen Mist. And to help you make your project affordable, we're proud to offer financing options. When you're ready to protect your home with quality craftsmanship and a team you can trust, call 234-766-3464. We would love to work with you.